guys, it's Julia and I'm back with another video for you today. We're not even a minute into the video and I'm already like this. So, it is the Saturday after Thanksgiving and I'm ready for Christmas. I already have my Christmas tree up in my room. You can't see it, but it's there. And my whole family decorated the rest of our house yesterday. Yeah. In spirit of that, I thought, why not do a Christmas look? So that's what we're going for today. Let's get started, okay? Just gonna put my hair up so I can start looking like a boy, and you can see my double chin a lot better, so that's really great for me. I just recently got this beauty right here. It is the James Charles palette. I have no idea if that's focusing or not. Yeah, but it is beautiful. I've already dug into it a little bit. I've only done a neutral, like, everyday look. I haven't dived into the colors yet, but oh my god, it's so pretty. I actually picked this up at Ulta the day it was out at Ulta. I'm very excited for this palette. And I'm also super proud of James. I've been watching him since, like, I don't know, 1 million subscribers or something like that, and now he's at 10, which is insane. But he's super inspiring to me because he's so young. I'm only a couple years younger than him, I think, and he has this huge platform and is so hardworking toward his goals. Super proud of him. He's awesome. His artwork and all of his looks and everything are so amazing. So yeah, anyways, let's hop right into this. Now, he has reiterated many times that it is best to use these shadows with a primer meant for your eyes and not just concealer. And I normally use Tarte Shape Tape concealer, but I found this Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer that I've had for a while. But I'm just gonna put this on my eyes. I'm gonna put that on my eyes. So I'm going to take my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, and all of the makeup products that I pick up that are in this bag are going to look disgusting. I'm just giving you a warning right now because my mascara likes to get all over everything I own, and also my blush that I wore all the time. The top broke off of it and my blush kind of exploded in my bag. So everything is coated in blush. Time for concentration because I'm scared. Okay. Should I zoom you in? Yeah, why not? Hello? Now I'm going to take the black shade called Spooky from the James Charles palette and go over that. I'm going to take a paintbrush, like a super thin paintbrush. Here's the part where I tell you yet another one of my clips was corrupted, and of course again it was the main chunk. I'm so sorry about it. I'm also really frustrated with it. Hopefully I can get it figured out soon. But basically what I did was I cut my crease with Shape Tape concealer, and then I went in with that black eyeliner again to create the little lines for the light bulbs, and then I went in with just 4 colors from the James Charles palette and used that for the light bulbs as well as my liner with just a small paintbrush. So that's where we're at right now. Okay everyone, that took me way longer than I was expecting, way longer than it should have, and the concealer was not doing great. You can see it creasing a little bit, so that was a bad decision on me, but I tried to set it a little bit by mixing Flashback and Canvas in the palette. We're gonna grab T. It's a darker brown. Okay, so I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette with a bunch of different colors in it. I'm gonna take the white on a super tiny brush and put that on the lights. Alrighty, now I'm going to get started on the rest of my face. So since I'm probably gonna take this look off right after I do it, I am not gonna go in with any primer. I am so happy that it is finally Christmas time, mostly because that means that winter break is really soon and I'm over school, so I'm really excited to have a break. And I had a 4-day break for Thanksgiving. For Thanksgiving morning, I I woke up really early because we had to drive an hour away, and we fed the homeless in the morning, so Thanksgiving breakfast, which was really nice. I enjoyed that. And then I came back home and I was super tired, so I probably napped for like 5 straight hours. And then my mom came in my room and was like, Julia, we have to leave in like an hour. And she knows how long I take to get ready, especially for holiday occasions. And so I was like, haha, shoot. So I had to rush to get ready. And then we went over to my aunt's house for delicious dinner, and we stayed there for a while, and I had to drive everyone home, and I was getting really tired, so yeah. But that night was fun, and we played some games and stuff, and the food was delicious, of course. So you all know I love my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but I also got the Airspun, which I heard is really good, and I've been liking that too, so I kind of like switch off. This smell, like, my gosh, it's very strong. It doesn't smell bad, it's just really strong. Again, I'm gonna lightly set this because I'm probably gonna take it off very soon. I didn't finish talking about my weekend. What did I do yesterday? Oh yeah, my whole family started decorating for Christmas. And then today I slept in again. We went out for lunch, and then I set this up, and that's what I've been working on. I have a feeling this would look a lot better with more practice. I just need to practice my makeup skills more, and also the materials I use. I really don't have that much. Like, I really want new brushes. I'm gonna take the big pan of the shadow called Face and use that as my highlight. It is so pretty as a highlight, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna take that same color Face and highlight my inner corners. And then I'm also gonna take a little paintbrush again and take Face and highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to take the Morphe E36, it's a little pencil brush. We're going to go back in with T and put that under our eyes. And I am going to put on mascara and curl my lashes. Alright, well, I don't really know if we succeeded, but we tried, you know. I personally don't think it looks that terrible. I think I'm just not used to it. Also, I need better tools. I need a smaller brush because this small paintbrush was not working for me. You know, I would have mixed colors from the lipstick palette and used that as liner, but I felt like that would have been a lot messier than eyeshadows with the brushes that I had. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me and let me know in the comment section any video requests that you have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays! Bye! I didn't put on red lipstick.